standing there with a look in your eye, a gleam that beats the northern lights with the urge to be alive. What do you say if we give it a try? Make a little noise on a quiet night, move to music that ignites us. I know what you want, what you love, what you're feeling. I can be the one to give you all that you need and help me help you to let go, let live. I am who I am, what I love, what I feel, and you can be the one to give me heart, give me healing, help me help you to let go, let live.
It's all good, it's alright. Cut the strings to the kite, send it flying. who's to say what this means? There's some truth in between where we're lying. Here's to happiness caving in on us, and the clock on the wall says it's 1:15, going too well. As you go round again, halfway to heaven, you do a 180 for hell. What goes up comes down again, falling, stumbling, crawling out of love. Tell the clock on the wall to stop. It's all good, it's okay, something new thrown away in confusion. Now you know what this means. Things come clear after the dreams and illusion. Here's to happiness caving in on us, and the clock on the wall says it's 1:15, going too well. As you go round again, halfway to heaven, you do a 180 for hell. What goes up comes down again, falling, stumbling, crawling out of love. Tell the clock on the wall to stop. It's 1:15, going too well. And you go round again, halfway to heaven, you do a 180 for hell. What goes up comes down again, falling, stumbling, crawling out of love. Tell the clock on the wall to stop. When the clock on the wall says it's 1:15, going too well.